participate in the ACID April 2025 quiz. I will be your ACID quizzer today. I am a 7th grader homeschooling in Woburn, Massachusetts in the USA in the academic year 2024 to 2025. Before we start the ACID quiz, I would like to give a brief introduction to ACID to the people who are new to this program. ACID has been successfully conducting monthly quiz competitions for elementary, middle, and high school students since 2023. This quiz covers questions from all levels from elementary up to high school. Apart from the quizzes, ACID's vision is to bud future scientists by providing a scientific platform to high school, undergrad, and postgrad students, alongside of internationally famous senior scientists to learn and share their knowledge with other science-loving audiences. Their scientific activity is done through the ACID Annual Hybrid Conference. ACID has successfully organized its 4 ACID hybrid conferences on an international level. The 5th will be announced in a couple of months. ACID is also present on social media, including YouTube, LinkedIn, and Instagram. Please visit the link at ACID Online 700 on YouTube to watch and learn at the award ceremony and amazing research work presented by high school, undergrad, and postgrad students, including junior and senior scientists. We are using the Kahoot platform for the ACID quiz, and the subjects of this quiz competition are mathematics, English language arts, science, history, and geography. From January 2025 on, ACID has conferred 10 cash prizes or gift cards, considering the overwhelming participation of students. Speaking of which, we apologize for the delay of everyone because we were expecting almost 150 participants today. The rules of the quiz are: number 1, there will be 10 cash prizes. There will be 10 cash prizes or gift cards with a value of $30, $25, $20, and $25 and $10 for 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, and 5th places, respectively. And 6th to 10th place holders also receive $10 each. Pre-registration of the participants with their full names and school names are to receive the ACID quiz prizes. As soon as I announce the app Kahoot quiz code, please enter it immediately at www.kahoot.it immediately to join the quiz. The quizzer will allow 5 to 15 minutes for your entry to the quiz, but depending on the number of participants. Please bear with us in case of a little delay. Please mute yourself and do not speak in the microphone or write your answers in the chat box, for that can disqualify you from the competition. If there is a disagreement between competitors, the quizzer's decision will be final. With this, I start the quiz now. So we are going to be starting now. Thank you. Can everyone see my case? Can everyone see my screen? So currently, about half of the participants are in. Enter the game pin and enter Kahoot.it. Press enter to join the game or skip. want to play the game, please right click right to Kahoot.it. Enter the game pin 1959098 or scanning the QR code that I have on my screen. You can also join by opening the Kahoot app. We will be starting in 1 minute. Please join. I will leave the Kahoot open for anyone who wants to join. We will be starting in 10 seconds. If you want to join, please join now, but I will leave the Kahoot open for anyone who wants to join. Okay, we're going to start. Please get ready. Mute yourself or internet disturbances. This may be disqualified if you do not mute yourself. Okay, we're going to start. To avoid any disturbances. Tangle. Wow, you guys are fast. 5 seconds. The answer is 32 square centimeters. We have Isn't Ali at first place, Azam Ali at second place, and Boss at third place. What is the multiplication problem that represents the array below?
Four, 5, 20.
Please do not say your answers or enter them in the chat box, and mute yourself to avoid any disturbances to other participants. The answer is 4 times 5 equals 20. Alphase is now in third place. What is the place value of the number 4 in the number 547,329? Five seconds. The answer is 10,000s. Sohash S is now in for a third place, with Alphase moving up to second. This pie chart represents 32 cars. How many of them are silver? $15 seconds. $5 seconds. The answer is 8. Combo breaker. 21 participants just dropped their answer streak of 3. Isn't Ali is still in third place. Mohad Adil is now in second place with Mohad Abdullah in third. Solve the equation. 350 divided by x equals 3.5.
Can you explain me how I
Go to kahoot.it and enter the game code, which you can see at the bottom of my screen. It's 1959098. $15 seconds. The answer is x equals 100. Mohad Abdullah is now in second place with Rayan in third. What is the probability of not picking up a blue marble? The picture will show up on screen.
Ten out of 2. What is the first?
Please mute yourself to avoid any disturbances. Thank you. 10 seconds. Get your answers in.
A. 2 out of.
The answer is 8 out of 10. Please do not say your answers while unmuted or enter your answers in the chat box. Zikra is now in fourth place. Use multiplication to solve the proportion. Z divided by 24 is equal to 25 divided by 32.
Daddy, the first is 32.
30 seconds.
C. The answer is C.
Please do not talk in the mic or to avoid disturbances to other participants. Thank you. The answer is Z equals 18.75. Oh, big change. Zarina is now in third place, Sumaya Shireen in fourth, and Boss is back in fifth place. What is the formula for Pythagorean theorem? Five seconds. The answer is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Mohad Abdullah is now in first place. True or false? Pi is an irrational number.
True.
Please do not say your answers in the mute and while unmuted. This may cause you to become disqualified.
True. True. True.
The answer is true. No change. True or false? The zero of a linear function is its x-intercept. Please do not say your answers in the mic. This may cause you to be disqualified. The answer is true. Sumaya Shireen is now in second place with Izan Ali in third place. Language arts is our second subject. Let's start. Which of these is the correct spelling? The answer is distinction, the triangle answer. What is the adverb in the sentence? Albert Einstein was a very smart mathematician.
Smart.
Please do not say your answers in the mic. This may cause you to get disqualified. This is my last warning. The answer is very. Izan Ali is now in second place with Zarina in third. The words phonics, telephone, and microphone use this root. The root phon means sound, ear, talking, or read. The answer is sound. Alphase is now in second place, but isn't Ali in third. Fill in the blank with the correct word. Next week, you will blank a lot of grammar and vocab.
We will be studying.
Please do not enter your please do not say your answers inside the mic. Please mute yourself if you want to say the answers to yourself. This is my last warning. Ali is now in second place. Fill in the blank. Blank is the genre of text about real people, animals, places, or things. Nonfiction, fantasy, mystery, or adventure fiction. 10 seconds. The answer is nonfiction. Haris Khan is now in third place. Define a harbinger. A harbinger. A messenger, one that foreshadows, one that captures, or a bringer of evil. This one may be hard, but it may be easy for people who have read old-timey literature such as Shakespeare. Ten seconds. The answer is a messenger or one that foreshadows. There was 2 correct answers. Alphase is now back in 5th place. Which sentence contains a conjunction? I have loved playing piano since I was a little girl. My grandma taught us to cook. I would love to learn how to play the piano. Or conjunctions are very interesting. 15 seconds. Five seconds. The answer is I have loved playing the piano since I was a little girl. No change. Define the word laudable. A prophecy deserving praise, to abound, or greedy. $20 seconds. $5 seconds. The answer is deserving praise. Select a sentence that is correctly structured. The Millennium Falcon, fast and agile it is. The Millennium Falcon is fast and agile. Fast and agile, the Millennium Falcon, or fast and agile is the Millennium Falcon. $5 seconds. The answer is the Millennium Falcon is fast and agile. No change. Subject-verb agreement. The teachers discipline or disciplines their learners in class. The options are disciplined, disciplines, disciplined, and disciplining. 5 seconds. The answer is discipline. Soha S is now in third place. The next subject is science. In the rock cycle, what process is necessary to change igneous rock into metamorphic rock? "20 seconds. "5 seconds. The answer is heat and pressure. Fill the correct number in the blank. Elements with an atomic number higher than blank are not found naturally. 92, 103, 23, or 78. The answer is 92. No change. What are the 3 states of matter? "10 seconds. Solid, liquid, and gas. Mohd Abdullah has the highest answer streak of 23. On average, how fast can electromagnetic signals reach us from Mars? At light speed, 300,000 kilometers per second. Roughly 6 to 18 seconds, 6 to 18 hours, 6 to 18 minutes, or 6 to 18 days. "15 seconds. "5 seconds. The answer is roughly 6 to 18 minutes. Izin Ali is now in first place. Solar energy from the sun, wind energy, and geothermal energy are all examples of "10 seconds. The answer is renewable energy sources. What type of cloud produces thunderstorms? Nimbostratus, altostratus, cirrus, or cumulonimbus? 15 seconds. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. The answer is cumulonimbus. According to Newton's second law of motion, "10 seconds. The answer is F equals M times A. Haris Khan is now in fourth place. Humans' DNA is 60% the same as apples, oranges, bananas, or pears. "10 seconds. The answer is bananas. Some of you may find this surprising. A small structure within the cell that performs specific functions for the cell is a organelle, organ, nucleus, or tissue. Ten seconds. The answer is organelle. Our next subject is history. Who was the Great Pyramid built for? Snefru, Narmer, Khufu, or Djoser? 15 seconds. Five seconds. The answer is Khufu. Who was the first man in space? Alan Shepard, John Glenn, Yuri Gagarin, or the Neil Armstrong? 10 seconds. 5 seconds. The answer is Yuri Gagarin. Neil Armstrong was the first man on the moon. Alphase is now in third place. The blank used cannons such as these to conquer Constantinople in blank CE. Ten seconds. The answer is Ottoman Empire in 1453. What happened after Harriet Tubman escaped slavery? She changed her name to Araminta Ross. She was captured and again sold into slavery. She was forced to work in the field, or she helped her family and others escape to the north. Ten seconds. Three seconds. The answer is she helped her family and others escape to the north. In ancient Greece, a polis referred to a theater performance, a city-state, a religious ritual, or a musical instrument. This is where the word metropolis came from. Five seconds. A city-state. Please be disturbances, or else you may be disqualified. Warriors in feudal Japan were called daimyo, shogun, samurai, or knights. 15 seconds. The answer is samurai. What peace treaty ended the Mexican-American War? The Treaty of Paris, the Treaty of Guadalupe Hidalgo, the Treaty of Ghent, or the Treaty of Versailles? 10 seconds. 5 seconds. The answer is the Treaty of Guadalupe Hidalgo. The Treaty of Paris ended the American Revolution. Which dynasty collapsed and led to the invasion of India by the British? The Mughal dynasty, the Ottoman Empire, the Persian Empire, or all of the above? 10 seconds. The answer is the Mughal dynasty. We know a lot about Islam's impact on West African empires based on Mansa Musa's involvement in personally handwritten records and documents, the Hajj or required pilgrimage to Mecca in Saudi Arabia, repeated invasions of Europe that ultimately failed, or the Crusades. 10 seconds. The answer is the Hajj. Azam Ali is now in 4th place. Which economic reason for imperialism is best illustrated by this advertisement? Ten seconds. The answer is colonies produce food and luxury cash crops for growing urban populations. Please mute yourself to avoid any disturbance to other participants, or else you will be disqualified. Please mute yourself. Our next subject is geography. What is the largest volcano in the world? Mauna Loa, Etna, St. Helens, or Tom? Five seconds. The answer is Mauna Loa. Haris Khan is now in 4th place. What is the deepest canyon in the world? Waimea Canyon, Coca Canyon, Verdun Gorge, or Itaimesbeen Canyon? Five seconds. The answer is Colca Canyon. Haris Khan has moved up to 3rd place. Silicon Valley is located in which state? North Carolina, South Carolina, California, or Arizona? Southern California. Alfaze is now in 3rd place. What is the population of Nigeria? 50 million, 100 million, 150 million, or 200 million?
52.79.
Please do not say your questions in the mic, or you may be disqualified. Five seconds. The answer is 200 million. How many lakes are in Canada? 10,000, 250, 10 million, or 3 million? The answer is 3 million. What's the capital of Vatican City? Vatican City, Vaticanville, Vatican Town, or Vaticanburg? Five seconds. The answer is Vatican City itself. How many countries make up Asia? 40, 50, 55, or 60? Ten seconds. The answer is 50. The Galapagos Islands legally belong to which country? Ecuador, Colombia, Venezuela? 5 seconds. The answer is Ecuador. Which river runs through Italy? Euphrates, Nile, Tigris, or Tiber? The answer is Tiber River. This is the last question. In which continent is Lake Chad? In Africa, in Canada, in Saudi Arabia, or in Australia? The answer is in Africa. Thank you for attending the monthly acid quiz competition. And now I will announce the winners. So, in third place, we have Mohamed Abdullah. In second place, we have Alfaiz. And in first place, we have Izin Ali. With runners-up, Haris Khan and Azam Ali.
Sir, can you check for the Daniel Ali, please?
ACID thanks all the students for participating in the ACID quiz today. We congratulate all 5 winners. The winners will receive all their cash prizes or gift cards within 1 week or so. Congratulations to all of you once again, and goodbye. See you next month in ACID quiz competition.
WhatsApp class.